photo, or I don't know what it was called. But how do we actually set the background to lock? So what we just need to do is just click on the background here. Hello guys, welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can lock background on Canva Mobile. So to be able to lock background on Canva Mobile isn't that much of a hassle. It's pretty simple, so I want you to give me your full attention until we do that. Okay, so here I am currently on my mobile phone home screen. I'm going to go ahead and open the Canva app, which is this one over here. And right from the get-go, we will see all the designs that I have already created. So here I have an FAQ posting, and I'm gonna go ahead and choose one of my designs over here to edit. Okay, so for instance, this one is this woman in front of the lightning. Let's go ahead and edit this one. What I'm gonna do now is to wait while it loads. It's auto saving our design, but it's gonna take a while. It's taking longer as usual. Usually, I find the Canva app to be quite slow compared to the website application that you just use on your desktop or on your laptop. So here we have this woman in front of lightning. This is one of examples in the previous video that was done on this channel. I think that was on like how to put a photo in transparent in front of another photo, or I don't know what it was called. But how do we actually set the background to lock? So what we just need to do is just click on the background here. You have the background now. I think this is the background, right? Yeah, it's being moved. So we don't want that to be moving while we're editing the other elements, which is probably one of the reasons why you would want to lock your background. So what you're going to need to do is to go here, click on the background again, and click on the triple dots, and you go ahead and click on lock. Now that when it's locked, it should appear like this. Now you can't move it, but you can move the other elements in front of it. So that's a really good thing when you think the background is already where it needs to be, and you just need to fill up the elements in front of it. The foreground is what you need to work on. So, but if you want to do something or change about it, just click the background again, and then just click the highlighted lock that you see is purple, and now you should be able to move it again. So once again, in order to lock it, just click on the background, click on the triple dots, go to lock, and then if you want to unlock it, just do the same. As long as you don't click away from the background, you can still see that there is the lock button there, and it will just like a way of telling you, like, you know, if you want to change your mind, you can lock it again by going just here, blah blah blah. As you can see, there's this one with a pencil, which means it's locked, but you can still modify it, like change the filters or anything. The effects, you can add some effects to it. You can crop it, you can adjust it, make it brighter or darker. And if you click on the lock again, which means this is fully locked, which means no modifications can be done to the background. And it's that simple. That is how you can lock the background on Canva Mobile. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.